This is Chichi.
Hello.
We're going to Carrefour to change the coins my kids were saving. So guys, there's a lot of coins here. So we are going to Carrefour to change them. So guys, this is Mommy Family TV. We are going to Carrefour to change these coins. Go, guys. Up to Carrefour supermarket. We pass through this place now.
Green bottle to the end. That coin contains from the Peter Valley Option Contact. You can edit asset. Okay, you're not cut all of them. Where do you put it? Here.
Yeah,
Where the money now?
I don't know.
I don't put 1 euro too.
It's still counting.
Wait first.
It's still counting. So put more. This is what the kids save. These are what they save.
No, that is gone. You go down.
So these are the 2 cents, 1 cent the kids save. Let's see how much it's going to give to us. So you don't need to be wasting your 1 cent.
Done.
You just give your kids. We have €18.98.
Why we catch up?
So always give your kids a count to pick your centimore, 1 cent, 2 cents.
Where is it coming out from?
So they will give it to us at the.
Go to counter, right?
I don't know where to collect the money. You have the receipt.
Thank you. Thank you. I got it.
So we are going to take the money now.
Let's go.
So we are going to ask where to take the money. So they are going to give us the money here. You see what we got? The kids got €18.79. So always you have to let your kids pick. Hey, leave them. Pick the 1 centimore, 2 cents. Give them something to be picking then. It's very valid. When you take it to Carrefour supermarket, there's a machine there you can just pour it all inside. Then you will get your change. So we are waiting to take the money. Christian is playing. So we are going to start again. Anytime I come back from supermarket, if it's remaining 1 cent, 2 cents, I always give it to them to keep it. So a lot of us don't know how to keep all these sentiments. So it's good for you to keep. So Chris, we go now. So guys, going for shopping. Up to me, Lady. So you are missing your. Up to Lady. Bread for the kids. So guys, we are back from supermarket. Like I advised earlier, it's good to keep this centimo, 2 centimo, 1 centimo, 5 cents. It's good for us to keep it. It's good for us to save it. A lot of us will throw it. Before I was once like that. I don't care if it's 1 centimo, I don't bother. Sometimes when I go to supermarket to buy something, or I go to shop to get something, if I remain 1 centimo, I just leave it. Don't worry, I will just go. Sometimes when I brought my bag from supermarket, I saw some centimo inside. I don't even bother to pick them up until I was advised to do so. So now you see, I show you guys at the video the one my kids was picking in my own house, not even in my own house, the one I was living. Keep it down. Sometimes I will see it in my bag, sometimes I will see it on the floor. They will just pick it and put it in that container. I was the one that even make that container for them. So they started picking it since January, I think so, January. You see how much we got from inside that 1 cent and 2 cents. We got 18 euro, 93 or 70 something cents we got from inside. You see, that 18 euro is enough money for you to add to your shopping money. So guys, I'm here to advise all of us how to keep your cents. When you have 1 cent, 2 cents from the supermarket, your coins, how to keep it. Most of us will value those 1 euro or 2 euros, or those ones we value from inside. But those 1 cent, 5 cents, 2 cents, if you are keeping it, you are saving it, there is a day you will need it. You will just take it to machine. Some of the supermarket, they have the machine to change it. I don't know about other country, but here in Spain we have it in a Carrefour supermarket. So if you live in Spain and you have that kind of coins in your house, you are looking for a way to change it, the bank don't change it. Just take it to Carrefour supermarket. There you can change it. Thank you guys for watching. Always subscribe to Mommy Family TV. We have a lot of video to be keeping you posted. We have a lot of things about our family. So I want to thank you guys for always watching wherever I post a video. I want to appreciate you guys, and I keep on watching our video, keep on watching, keep on liking, keep on commenting. God will bless you all for watching. If today is the first day of you coming across of our video, please kindly press the notification bell and subscribe to our channel so that whenever we post a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.